Hello everyone, welcome to video number 3 of the Excel beginner series. In this video, I will show you how to enter, edit, format cell in Excel for beginners. So let's start. So here to enter your data in Excel, just click on the any cell. So I select the cell and just enter your the data. So I enter here some number and press the enter key to move down. And or if you want to move right, just press the tab to move right. So this is the way you can enter your data in Excel. And if you want to edit existing cell, simply double click on any cell. Suppose if you want to edit IT salary, so as double click on the salary, and here you can use the backspace to remove the number, and you can easily add the number. Okay. And the second way, simply select the cell, okay, and press the F2. Now you can easily edit the salary. Okay, so that's it. So here I show you now how to format it. Okay, you can format your data in different way. Suppose I select this cell, okay, and I'm going to bold this data. Just simply go to the home tab in font group. You can see the formatting option is available. If you want to bold, just click on this bold option. You can see your amount is bold. If you want to italic, you can select the italic. I just double click on it to increase the size of column. Okay, you can see italic. When I select this text and now I go to the font group and click on the italic, you can see your format is showing the italic. Okay, you can fill color also. If you want to fill color in department column, just simply select it, select the first cell and then drag, and you can select here entire column. After that, just in font group have a fill color option. Just click on this arrow and select your color those you want to fill. Okay, and if you want to format the currency, simply select the entire column. Here I'm going to format with the currency. So go to the home tab. In numbers group have a one option, currency. You can see here the currency showing accounting number format. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the currency those you want. So I select here the dollar, and here you can see is dollar is added. Okay, if you want to change the text color, okay, suppose I want this all number in red color, so go to the home tab in font group. Here you can see text color, font colors option. Just click on this arrow and select this red color, and here you can see your number is showing the red color. Okay, and if you want to underline the particular uh, word, so I select this cell and again go to the home tab in font. Here you can see the underline option available. Just click on it. You can see the underline is showing here in HR with the underline. Okay, words. And if you want to use the border for all data, so I select the entire data. You just simply select the first cell and drag with the mouse, and you can select here entire data. Okay, then go to the home tab in font group, have a border option. Just click on this arrow and select your border. So I select here the all border option. You can see the all data is border showing. Okay, and if you want to change the font style, you can change here the font group. Click on this arrow and here you can see different font theme style is available. Okay, so select it those you want. So I select this one, and here you can see the font style also change. If you want to decrease, increase the size of font, here have option. Just click on this arrow and select your size of font. So I select here 12. You can see the changes over here. Again select and select here the 26. Okay, you can use this shortcut way also to increase the font size and to decrease the, when you click on it, the font size will increase, and when you click on this option, the font size will decrease. Okay, so these are the formatting option is available. Also there are so many options available in Excel. So basic, you can use this option to format your data in different look. Okay, so I remove this italic style. Just click on it. You can see the different way showing. Double click on this line to adjust your column size. Okay, I just double click on here. You can see you can easily adjust the column size also. Okay, auto fit your data. Okay, so this is the way. That's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.